Tornado! Ah! Oh! Ah! Jesus, wing! There it is, the tornado! Shut up already! There's no tornado. Ah! There's no tornado here. Shut up. Tornado! Shut up! There's no tornado here. Where'd the light go? What happened to the lights? 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 Somebody! Turn the light on! Will somebody turn that light back on? It's driving me insane. There's a tornado here. We can't turn it on. Wait a minute. There's a tornado here and you want us to go outside? I can't believe you, man. What is this? Fucking tornado. What were you, raised on a farm or something? You wouldn't warn me if there was a damn tornado on campus. Bullshit. I'm warning you now. Well, apparently now isn't quick enough. You need to warn me now. You need to warn me now. Ah, shit. Is this tornado coming or what? Oh shit, you hear that thunder? Oh, it's coming. Oh, listen to that wind. What the hell? Come on, man. Are you sure this is a tornado? Because it sounds like it's just a thunderstorm to knock out your power. Oh, it's a tornado. It's a tornado. If it's not a tornado, how come the power's out and it's really dark in here? And there's a lot of roaring. Plus, hail the size of baseballs, really bad rain, flying debris, plus really fast winds, over 300-mile-an-hour wind speeds in the funnel. Oh yeah, we're in trouble. Hey, just before the power went out, I tried to get a hold of the Weather Channel, and the screen went blank, and it said tornado warning. What do you think that means? It basically means we're in big trouble. Oh, we're in damn big trouble now. Because that roar could only be the roar of an EF-5 or an EF-6 tornado. It's not a freaking tornado. That's what they all say. And guess what? It is. Ah, shit. You are fucking shitting me. You know what? I hear that. God damn it. Okay, that's enough. Turn off the camera.